Introduce highlight features or overview summary of KOTIN Gaming PC, or KOTIN G60B Gaming PC. There are features include: Extreme Gaming Performance. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X, up to 5.5 GHz, and GeForce RTX 5060, 8GB, this gaming PC delivers smooth high-FPS performance for AAA games, esports, streaming, and content creation. Built with a 650 watts 80+ gold certified PSU for reliable power efficiency. Equipped with a 360mm digital liquid cooler featuring a real-time temperature display in Fahrenheit, degree F, combined with PWM-controlled fans for intelligent speed adjustment. Delivers efficient cooling, low noise, and stable performance under heavy workloads. Equipped with 16GB DDR5, 6000 MHz RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0, NVMe SSD with speeds up to 6000 MB per SEC, read, ensuring rapid boot times, quick game loading, and smooth multitasking for both gaming and productivity. Extensive connectivity. Motherboard including 4-port USB-A 2.0, 2-port USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, 2-port USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, 1-port USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1, 1-port LAN, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, 7.1 channel audio. In addition, the computer case provides 2-port USB 2.0 Type A, 2-port USB 3.0 Type A, 1-port USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 2-in-1 headphone and microphone. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.